How to open a Doordash account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. By opening the Doordash account, you can order food or you can also become a dasher. So for ordering from Doordash, first and foremost, you can download the Doordash app on your device or you could just visit any of your preferred browser and go to its official website. First of all, you'll have to verify the CAPTCHA, and once it has been successful, you'll be directed to the sign up page. You have to provide in the details such as first name, last name, a valid email address, and then your country code along with the mobile number. After that, it will ask you to add some additional details such as address by entering your zip code and adding home or additional delivery addresses. Browse through available stores and restaurants in your area to start ordering. So this is how you can create or sign up for Doordash. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.